Welcome back, everybody. There is a risk now that crypto and Bitcoin might have to pull back before they continue higher. As you can see, this is the S&P 500 chart. We're getting rejected from the 30-week MA. This is the 30-week MA. Okay, we're getting rejected from it. And you can see this is the same resistance that it got rejected in the past here. Okay, same support, resistance. So this is a critical level of resistance. And you can see the S&P for the last 4 days cannot really close above it. And we got a lovely rejection candle here at the top. Okay, so on the daily chart, so there is a risk of a pullback in crypto. Okay, if the S&P will go lower. Now if the S&P breaks below this level, you can see 40.80, let's say 40.73, we have a risk of a big pullback here on the S&P. So the S&P can do multiple things. They can come down to create an inverted head and shoulders, or maybe even to do a big double bottom, or maybe even to make a lower low. Okay, so there is a lot of possibilities that can happen if the S&P lose 40.73. Okay, so this is a very important to be careful here. Be careful because, you know, when the S&P is pulling back, if it's gonna pull back, Bitcoin will pull back with it, and that's the nature of things. Now look at the bright side. If you're gonna get this pullback, that would be amazing buying opportunity to buy in Bitcoin and your favorite crypto. Okay, let's look on Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin chart had a very nice day yesterday, came up to the 24K, was looking pretty good, pretty bullish, but then the stock market opened and it turned around. It actually started to turn around here. If you're looking on the 2 hour, that was when the stock market started trading. The US stock market opened, boom. And since then we're pulling back. Okay, so if Bitcoin loses this level, this base that we created here, okay, we're talking about this level around $22,400, we're probably going to go for a pullback. Okay, that will be amazing opportunity. Now we can go to test the lows. We can make a lower low, and we can also make a higher low. Okay, so this is a very good opportunity in my opinion to, if we're gonna get this pullback, obviously we can still continue higher from here. We're just talking about the potential risk now that the S&P is looking like it's topping out. So if we're gonna lose this level and we start to pull back, you can have multiple scenarios, but the idea here is to be patient and wait for the dip, to buy the dip, because that could be amazing buy the dip opportunity, in my opinion. All right, guys, so thank you very much for watching. Give a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and let me share with you a trade we took yesterday. We took a trade called Dow in the trading group. Dow, you can see 22 hours ago. Let me zoom in here. Boom, look at that. We bought the breakout of 165. You have to see what happened to this thing. This thing, we bought it at 165 in the group. Show you the chart. Look at the chart, man. This is insane breakout. Okay, that was the strongest breakout we pretty much bought it, because we're talking about in a 2 hour move. You see, this is a 2 hour candle here. Boom, that was our breakout here. We bought the breakout above 165. That's the original setup here. Boom, we nailed 46% max gain on the final target. Hit all our targets, and this was amazing trade. In 2 hours we book really nice gains. So if you want to come and trade with us and accumulate some crypto with us, maybe on the pullback, learn how to buy breakout and all that, you can click on the link in the description here. Choose a tier. We do market updates every day. We're gonna guide you whether you're a beginner, an amateur, or, you know, a professional. We can help you make money and keep the money and compound it. All right, so thank you very much. Have a good day. Cheers.